Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today I'm looking at another garage door. If you follow my channel, you know I've been fixing my garage door off and on for a while now. And I got some news for you. So I changed this cable about a year ago, and the other day it just snapped. It's about a year old. This is a brand new, the exact same cable. Look what happened. This is ridiculous. It just rotted away. Why did it rot away? I'm going to show you what I found out and what I figured out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Unbelievable. Also, I'm recording this audio by the new Joby wireless microphone. They did send it to me to do a review on. I'm doing that next, so check that video out. But I'm doing all the recording on the Joby on my GoPro. So hopefully audio sounds decent. All right, let's get to the video. So I want to show you the setup here in the Joby Wavo system. This comes with 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a bunch of accessories in this package. I'm going to do that full review for you, so don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me. Hit that notification bell and you'll see that when that's ready. This is my GoPro. This is exactly what I use to shoot this video with 1 transmitter, exactly like this. And I think it sounds pretty good. I'm listening in post-production. I think it's pretty cool. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get back to the video. So the other day I was coming home, closed the garage door, and I heard a big bang. It's like, what the hell? This thing just snapped. Thank God the safety cable was here. Very important. I always say recommend getting the safety cable. Let me show you that right here. Get the safety cable, really important. So this cable just snapped off this door. Why did it snap? Thank God that, like I said, thank God for the safety cable. It didn't hurt anything. And so what happened was, let me just show you. I'm going to open up the door in a minute. You really can't see it. So let me just open the garage door. I'm going to show you what I found out and what I think why the cable only lasted 1 year. Very disheartening. You can see this is how it's supposed to look. This is the cable, it's just a lift cable, it's only a year old. So this one's okay, but the other one just disintegrated. Why did it happen? Let's get to the video, let me show you what I think. Okay guys, I opened the garage door. What I think what happened here, hard to see, let me just try to get the camera in here, is that, see that pin right there? That holds the loop. That's full of rust. So what I think what happened was, is that rust transferred to that cable and actually just disintegrated that cable. So it's important to clean these pins, these lugs or lags, whatever you want to call them, before you put the new cable on, because the rust will transfer and destroy the new one really quickly. Hard lesson learned. The other one seems to be okay. I did check the yellow one. The yellow one's right here. That looks decent. I'm just going to give it a quick cleanup, but that's okay. So that's pretty much what happened. So we're going to change the cable again, just like you see before. I've changed these before. Very simple to do. I'm going to do it one more time to show you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Okay, the first thing I recommend doing is actually locking the door. What I mean by locking the door is that you don't want it to move on you when you're doing something. So you just lift it up a little bit, like this here. Then you get a vice grip, and that kind of locks it so it won't fall on you, just in case there's any issues. And you do it on the flat side on the garage door, just like you see here. Just snap it in there, and that'll stop the door from falling. That's the first thing you want to do. Second thing we're going to do is actually clean this side here. I'm going to get a little, let me show you that, a little brush. I'm going to get in here and clean this up. Get some of the old rust off. Now I'm going to keep working on that, so you get the idea. I'm going to keep cleaning that, and we'll see how that goes. And then we're going to put the new wire on and connect it up. Hopefully it goes simple and smooth. Not perfect, but it's most of the rust is off. I got some cleaning brush in there. I got it cleaned off, and we're just going to put the new hook on here. You can see that now. Hopefully you can see. Trying to get this so you can see. You can see where that is. So that should be hopefully a lot better. And we're going to run it up through the lines just like before, and then we're going to run it to this line here through the pulley, okay, through the pulley, and we're going to run it through the pulley, then pull it up to the side here, and then we're going to tie it up. So I'm going to show you how to tie it up in a minute. So you're just going to run it up the pulley, okay, come up this way, and you're going to go up and around here and then back to the lock, and we're going to lock it up there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And so I'm just going to run this wire, then I'm going to go over exactly what I did. Okay guys, I actually ended up rerunning the wire. And if you didn't see how to do that, I'll leave a link down below how to do that. So it's pretty easy. So I just ran the wire up over the garage door, up over, okay? And then I'll show you, go around the loop. Okay, so if you look at it, how it looks straight here, right? That's what you want it to do. You want it to go over the carriage and under the door.
okay, like this here, and then this lag will tie it right to here. So what I ended up doing is just getting one of these little tires. Yeah, there's little metal tires. I'll leave a description down below for all this stuff. So it makes it easy to adjust the door. Then this way it's safe and it's locked and it's not going anywhere. So this door is fixed. Hopefully this won't happen again. It's frustrating that happens. It scares the crap out of you when it went off with boom, the whole house shook. This should be okay. Let's take a look at that. If that's sitting, make sure everything is sitting correctly. And all right, let's close it one time and just see what we have. Let's see, I also did change the garage door. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link also at the end of this video, how to change your door switch. Super easy, so definitely you can do that yourself. Just 2 wires, really easy. So let's close the door. Take a look where it landed, where it lands. Make sure we're clear and safe. I would stay back until the door closes. Make sure nothing is snapping, nothing is cracking. You don't want to be in the way when this thing flies. You've got to stay out of the way. And if you're not comfortable doing this, definitely hire a professional. But for me, I do this a million times, which is annoying. Let's take a look here, up here. All right, that looks good. This travel looks good. Down the door. The spring of safety nothing is snagging, as you can see. Everything looks absolutely good. That's pretty much how it works. All right, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. Pretty easy to do. If you didn't see my full installation, I'll leave a link at the end of the video right here. How to actually replace these step by step. I'll leave a link over here for products if you're interested, or all down here in the shop, either way. And that gives you a good explanation. Definitely got to clean those lugs. Clean those door lugs down there. You know what? I didn't realize it. It just ate it away. I'm surprised how fast it ate this. I thought this was galvanized steel. I guess it's just plain stainless steel. Even that was stainless steel. Shouldn't have rusted. I'm shocked. But I guess it is what it is. And until something else breaks, I'll do another video as I always do. So this you can do yourself. If you're not certain how to do it, you can definitely hire a professional. Again, all the audio was recorded on this Joby wireless microphone. So far, I'll check out the audio once I get to the post-production. I think I did a quick couple tests and it seemed pretty good to me. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you at the next review, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it brought you some value and some help. And that's what it's all about, to give you some education, teach you how to do these things so you can do it yourself and learn. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.